My name is Andrew. I'm the founder and CEO of ExperienceFirst. We provide tours and travel experiences in a meaningful and authentic way. We operate in different markets in the US and Europe.
And I'm Dan. I'm head of technology at ExperienceFirst.
We had another booking system, basically, just having almost like an Excel sheet and Google Calendar that was rather rudimentary. And so we had to build technology on top of that. There's a lot of things we could not do. And so reporting wasn't as easy. I think it's just the flexibility of the system, right? And so kind of how we can define pricing, how we can define products and packages, the calendar settings, and that even kind of up to the default reporting, customized reporting. That kind of enterprise level functionality is what we're looking for. Oliver came on, and we were just like, wow, this is the system we're looking for. So we started onboarding kind of our least busy location first. So I think it was really a more or less seamless process. I mean, for me, I look at the dashboard, I look at the calendar, and so those are pretty consistent. It is very flexible, configurable. Ventrata is great because, like I said, it's a forward-looking enterprise level system.
I've had a really good experience so far. I think what we've learned over the last few months is we've got a lot of technology that we've built that we don't need anymore. And so we're now starting on projects to switch from internal tooling to Ventrata tool. Your checkout widget, we have our own, we don't need it anymore. Manage My Booking, we were about to do our project to do that. We don't need to do that anymore. I'm super glad that I do not have to think about connectivity with all those partners, and it's just done by you guys.
The connection between the different partners, OTA and other supply partners, kind of that is more robust. And so it provides a lot more revenue opportunities. We feel like, we really have picked a winner. And so we feel lucky to be part of the club.